Hello everyone, welcome to pipelines.com. Today we're going to show you step by step how to do tool subscription. So if you're a new user or you have used our site before but haven't returned for a while, you might have seen a few changes we have. First of all, we added a sign up login and we showing us subscriptions on the header. And you probably have seen some of the tools we have has a little lock symbol at the end. And if you click on any of this, for example, if we click on the first one, it actually show a message saying, please log in and subscribe to unlock this tool. And basically, this whole page is locked out and is only really for demonstration purposes. So we have a separate video in our YouTube channel to show you the details how to do sign up and log in. And this video though, we're gonna focus on how to do subscriptions. So before you log in, you could potentially go to the subscription page. Let's see, we go there now. And you could have a view about all the tools require subscription to use. As you can see that right now we're showing $0 because we are still trying to give our users a little bit more time to adapt to the changes. So we are offering free tryout until the end of 2021. So before 2021, essentially everything is gonna be $0. It's all $0, and it's a free to use pretty much. And you can see that we have a little bit of selection tools plopped it up, and for you to check. Eventually, when we have a price, we could be able to see the total price before we even moving forward to it. And if this you have reviewed this and you want to try out some of the tools, then you can go log in to proceed. So I have a account registered ready, so I'm going to just go ahead and log in. So once you log in, you can see that the user interface changed a little bit. The picture is gone, and also you have seen a different buttons and files. You could also have a link going to the user page. You can do a lot of things. So for the details of that, you could refer to a separate videos we have about the sign up and login. But today, well, let's go try some subscriptions first. So we click the subscription again after login. As you can see that now we can actually start to actually subscribe tools. As you can see, the user interface change a little bit at the bottom. So so you just review this tool list and find the tools you want to try out. For example, I'm just randomly gonna select two. We would like to try out a gas blow down time and pipeline purge. And we going down right now. We lock the proceed to checkout, like I mentioned before. It's we are offering free tryout until the end of 2021. So we basically enabled the button going to the checkout page. So everything is a free tryout. So let's just select the two of the tools and free tryout. And this will bring you to a separate page. Basically, this is a confirmation page showing what's the order, what is valid to, and basically the tools you selected. So you can double check, make sure this is what you need. If not, you can go back to subscription and select, you know, a different one if you find mistakes, and you can proceed again. And if everything looks good to you, and again, it's going to be showing $3 right now. So all you need to do is to click confirm and submit. And once you've seen this page, it basically means the request has been sent and confirmed, and you should have received the confirmation email from to the emails you used for the registration. So essentially, our site offer two ways for you to verify and check your record of a tryout. The first one, obviously, is the email we mentioned. You can go to your inbox, and you should have an email sent by us saying your Pipe Engine subscription. Basically, this is your order number generated here, and to confirm that you have the two tools, basically, you request a tryout. There's another way you could check it. You could go to your user page and you go to subscription. Right now, it's gonna show you have two tools subscribed and show this tool is valid until what day, and it shows it's gonna be first day of 2022. And a easier way for you to save the record is you go to order history tab, and then it's going to show order number, the tools you subscribed, and if there's a receipt button here, and if you click the receipt button, it's going to generate a PDF order receipt, show you the order number, your personal information, basically when you subscribed, and the total cost. Again, right now it's showing $0 because it's free tryout, but this is the place you can use to retrieve the receipt from your subscription. So after the confirmation from the tryout, you get an email, you get the receipt from a user profile page, and then you going back to the main page, you could see that those two tools you just subscribed, it shows the locks open now. It means it's valid for using. So let's say you go to the hydro test pressure calculation. Right now, it's actually going to show the tools itself. Everything is enabled. You won't have any restriction of you using it. We also have updated some critical features. You can basically save and load and any of your calculation online, and we will use a separate video to cover the details. Okay, that's everything about the subscriptions. Hopefully, this is a straightforward enough for everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through help@pipeenge.com. Thank you.